Everybody, it's Jason here in Cary, Litchman. We just wanted to come on and give a quick shout out to Texas, Central Texas in general, with the Arctic blast, Arctic freeze that came through last week. We saw our community, special Central Texas, Austin in general, and outside of that, really come together and help Texans, help our community get back on our feet after a lot lost water, power, down trees, you name it, we saw it all. We were also affected in that too as well. We just want to say how just appreciative we are of everybody that we saw coming together. I know we did everything we could do as well to try to help out our neighbors in our community.
Yeah, we had a lot of people reaching out to us, clients, friends, and family, wanting to get information for some vetted contractors and tradesmen and women to help them swiftly through this really serious time. So we just want to remind everybody that we're here to be a resource to you for anything that you may need, not necessarily just buying and selling a home, but with whatever you may need, we're here for you.
Yep. So if you need anything still, you can reach out to us, let us know. Like I said, we have vetted trades, vetted contractors. If we wouldn't use them on our house, we're not going to send them to you. I know they were working around the clock helping people too as well in our areas. Literally, we had a lot of phone calls, busted pipes, you name it, whatever they needed, and we were there to try to supply them with someone that could help them out if we couldn't do it ourselves. So again, kind of back to this, we just want to let you guys know it's not always just about buying and selling. We just want to be a resource to you. So if you ever need anything dealing with the house, just know that we've pretty much got someone that we can give to you that can help you in that situation. All right. Well, I hope everyone is doing well on this Thursday afternoon. It's Texas, so the weather changed pretty quickly. If you do need anything, feel free to reach out to us. My number is 512-595-4809. Cary's is 512-800-1992. Talk to you soon.